Out. Woo! You don't have to suck it in. It's back by itself. There you go, Grandma. You're passing out.
He might.
Oh, I think my camera. I've been reset.
Yeah. Good blower. Blow on it. You don't have to suck on it. You're gonna hyperventilate. Getting lightheaded?
It won't let me take pictures because it wants me to reset the dates, but you can't.
Is your camera card in there?
Date and time. It says 2008.
Did we reset it when we put that new thing in?
Uh-oh.
Party's over.
You alright? How you feeling?
This Dawn? Yes. That'll work. I'm glad you called. I forgot about that today. Okay. Thanks.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
A phone?
Let's leave the phone alone.
How? How? Hello. Hey, where's the hello?
Who's there?
How?
Maybe I'll just say.
Well, yeah, do that too.
Sit down. Watch what you're doing.
Grandpa's gotta go to work.
Phone? Phone?
Who you calling?
You hear? He goes, hello.
Grandpa loves you guys. Thanks for coming.
Happy birthday, Poppy.
Thank you.
Grampy.
Party.
You having a party?
It's
Okay.
party.
Thanks, babe.
Love you, Dad.